While working in one unit system, either it may be a metric or imperial units, sometimes it may happen to have a dimension or values refer in other unit system. For example, while creating toolpath in metric units, it may come across where the tool diameter are in inches. In these kind of situations, simply type IN for imperial units or mm for metric units after the input value and hit the enter key. PowerMill will automatically convert into other unit values. Let us see how it works. In this project, I'm using metric as my unit system and start creating my tool here. In this one, my tool diameter is 0.25 inches. So instead of calculating into inches, input the value as 0.25 and say IN and enter the value. It will automatically converts into a metric units by 6.35 mm. Also, when you are creating in imperial units in your project, simply type mm after the value and hit the enter button to get the exact imperial values.